Hello and welcome. In this training, I'll walk you through the process of generating the store and sales inventory report step by step. By the end, you will be able to automate and schedule this report efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Scintilla on your computer. Once Scintilla is open, validate your user by logging in and completing the multi-factor authentication process. This ensures secure access to your report. After logging in, navigate to the Report Builder section. This is where you will create and customize your report. Now, click on the New Report button to begin. From the data bundles available, select Store, Sales, and Inventory. Click on Build a Report from scratch to customize your data selection. Next, in the Column section, select the following columns for your report: week, Walmart item number, item name, in-stock percentage this year, replenishment in stock percentage this year, store in transit quantity this year, store in warehouse quantity this year, store on hand quantity this year, store on order quantity this year, traded store count this year, and valid store count this year. Make sure you select all this to get a complete overview of sales and inventory performance. Now, go to the Filters tab. Here, you can set the date filter to yesterday to get the most recent data. I also recommend adding your vendor number as a filter. In the link activity section, I will change it to all links rollup. This option will also add a new column named all links item number, which is the prime item number, also known as parent item. In the items cross-reference chains, this is the item number that acts as an item linkage to simplify certain operational activities or is used for reporting purpose. Similar items are linked mapped together for a more straightforward reporting. Once your filters are set, click on Create Report. The system will prompt you to name the report. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. For the report format, I recommend selecting CSV. This format is faster to read and allows access to more data. Now, let's automate the report. Set it to run continuously, schedule it to run weekly, set dynamic delivery to ensure the report is delivered after the data refreshes, schedule it for Mondays, set the end date to after 9,999 occurrence so it continues indefinitely. If you would like, you can enable email notification to alert you when the report is complete. I typically don't enable this for every report to avoid excessively emails, but since this report refresh only once per week, I recommend enabling email notifications. Finally, click Create and your report is ready. It will now generate on a schedule with the latest data. And that's it. You have successfully set up the store, sales, and inventory report. This will help you to track inventory easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more technical and useful tutorials. Your support helps me create more content to simplify complex tasks. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.